Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I do have a fun e.l.f. haul for you guys. I also have a mixture of like 4 products that's not e.l.f. related, but they are still like drugstore affordable products. So you guys want to see my e.l.f. haul, and of course just keep watching. Alright, so starting off, I do have a few new products from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I did go to my Walmart, just kind of just scattered out to see what new e.l.f. product that they have on their shelf. And I did find a few. They had more products, but the other products that I saw didn't really like catch my attention, or it was just products that I typically wouldn't use, and I didn't want to just buy any old thing just for the video. I wanted to buy products that I could actually see myself using, which I did. So I have some good stuff in front of me. But before we get started, if you guys want to see like an updated wash and go routine on my channel, let me know, because I know I have been rocking my hair on and off as far as like natural, or like I've been wearing like a wig. So if you guys want to see like an updated wash and go routine, let me know. I haven't done one on my channel in so long, and I know my hair has gotten longer since my last wash and go routine. Like my hair has gotten so much longer since then. It's so funny because I remember back in the day I always dreamt about eventually having my wash and go like touch my shoulders and look long and full and voluminous, because in the past it was always like shriveled up to my ears, and now it's like pretty much touching my shoulders. So this is like kind of like new and kind of surreal for me. But just let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see that, or just start back doing hair videos in general. Just let me know. I'll be more than happy to do so for you guys. But starting off, I guess I'll just jump into one product that was a repurchase, which was the e.l.f. Expert Liquid Eyeliner. I do love their liquid eyeliners. You guys know I was using the one from I want to say it was Wet n Wild and then NYC, but the one from NYC is pretty much discontinued. So since it's discontinued, I have been, you know, using my e.l.f. one more often than before. So I did just pick up another one because the one that I have is almost done. And then the next product is by, again, it's e.l.f. It's their color correcting stick. This is the Correct Dark Circles for Deep Skin Tones, and it just looked like this. And they actually had another one on the shelf that was for like light skin tones, which I thought was pretty cool, to be honest with you. It does say it's infused with vitamin E to help hydrate the skin. And you guys know I love to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer, like the orange corrector, as my go-to to correct my dark spots. But I just kind of feel like I want to try something different. So again, I didn't want to splurge on something that was high-end, because I don't really color correct that much. So I just wanted something that was more affordable. And when I saw the one from e.l.f. and it said it was for dark skin tones or deep skin tones, I kind of figured why not just try it out. But here is what the actual product looked like. It is an actual like stick. And let me just swatch it for you guys. So here it is right here. Ooh, that feels really soft, and it blends out really nicely. Only thing is it blends out all the way, so I wonder how it's gonna actually work like on your dark spots. So that should be interesting to see. But I am super excited about this product, and if I love it, then it'll be another product to add to my collection that I love. But super excited about that one. And then the next product is, again, it's by e.l.f. It is the Illuminating Face Primer in Radiant Glow. You guys know I love to use their Hydrating Face Primer. It's the one in the blue packaging. And they have come out with so much more like face primers like these. So when I saw the one that says Illuminating, I was like, okay, I have to have it, because you guys, they had so many. They had one, I think it was like a poreless face primer. They had one that was, it was just so many. And they also have different sizes, so you can buy like the larger size, the smaller size. I opted for the small size. It's $6. The larger size is $10. So the choice is yours. If you're going to be trying it out for the first time, I'll probably get like a small size, because you know you don't want to commit to the full size bottle, but you still get a lot of product in here. And I just love this freaking packaging. It is so cute. The one that says Illuminating, it says it's a multi-purpose primer, preps your skin and fills in fine lines so makeup goes on evenly for a long lasting luminous finish. You guys know I have dry skin, so I kind of figured it would be so good to use in conjunction with my foundation. So cannot wait to try this, and I'm just super excited about it. I told you guys that 2018 was my year to try new products, which I'm sticking to that promise to myself. Here it is pumped out on my hands, and this is what it looks like blended out. So cannot wait. I do see like reflexes of shimmer in here. It's almost like a golden undertone, which you guys know I love in terms of like my highlighters. Can you guys see that? Is it reflecting or no? But super excited about that. And then my next purchase, it's the Matte for Matte eyeshadow palette in Summer Breeze. I did mention this palette to you guys in my, I forgot which video it was, but I told you guys I saw this product in Walmart and I wanted to pick it up for you guys to just kind of share it with you on my channel. It is the same sleek black packaging. And then open it up, and here she is. She is so pretty. It is a warm tone eyeshadow palette. Again, it is all matte, so it's pretty much not the neutral version. It's actually some nice fun colors in here, which I cannot wait to dive into. And you still get the mirror on top. So again, here is the palette, and I can do some swatches for you guys. I'll probably swatch like 3 colors so we can see how the pigmentation is. Ooh. Okay. I have this face primer on my hand, so I'm not sure if it's messing with the eyeshadow or not, but let's swatch this black one. Oh, the black one actually swatched pretty nicely. Here are the shadows right here. So again, really pretty. I would definitely use this in an upcoming tutorial, maybe like a cute spring makeup tutorial. That way you guys can actually see the palette in action. And I have 3 lip products from e.l.f. So the first one is actually a matte lipstick. It's the liquid matte lipstick in Praline. Love the frosty packaging. Look at this packaging. It is so cute and like just high-end looking. I just love this like frosted look to it. But here is the swatch of this one, and again it's called Praline. Is their liquid lipstick. Oh my god, you guys, oh, that is so pretty. Like when I seen it on the shelf, I was like, yep, you're coming home with me, like no discussion needed. And I think the color is what pretty much just like drew me in. So again, here is Praline. So freaking pretty. The next one is the lip plumping gloss. It's Mocha Twist. Here is the packaging for that one. And honestly, it's the same freaking color as Praline in terms of looking at the packaging. I haven't swatched it yet, but I just kind of figured the color was really cute, and you guys know I'm into glosses right now, so I just had to get it. All right, so here is Mocha Twist, and let me swatch it for you guys so you can see what it looks like. Oh, that's really pretty. It's more on the sheer side, but it's so pretty. Here is Mocha Twist. And then the last one, it is so cute. It's called the Lip Plumping Gloss, and it's called Champagne Glam. And I cannot wait. When I seen this color, I was like, yep, that's gonna be a bomb shimmer shade. Like a lip topper. Like, oh, look at this. So stinking cute. And you guys know I'm into like glitter glosses right now. So in the past, it's so funny because in the past I wouldn't wear things like this. I wouldn't even like look at glitter anything, like glitter glosses, glitter nothing. But now I'm just so into it right now. I just think it's so cute, like topped over your lipstick or your lip color of choice. Here it is right here. Look at that. That is so pretty. And even like worn alone, like in the spring and summertime, you guys, your lips will be looking like so scrumptious. So again, this is the one called Champagne Glam, and it's their lip plumping gloss. So pretty. All right, so I do have 4 like products that's not e.l.f. related. The first one is by LA Girls, their Pro Conceal Concealer. It's the orange corrector. The one I have is pretty much running out, so I did just kind of repurchase this one to have as a backup option. I probably won't use it right away. I'm just going to go ahead and use the one by e.l.f. first, and then just kind of decide if I like that or not. And if I don't like it, then of course I have this one to just kind of play with. And then my next item is by Wet n Wild. It is their color icon. It's in the one called Rose in the Air. I told you guys that I purchased the other one that had the blue color in it, but I really wanted to get this one. So I went ahead and got it because the other one was really pigmented and I was so like amazed by it. I want to say I was surprised because e.l.f. does a really good job. Not e.l.f. but Wet n Wild does a really good job, but I was still surprised too. I had to go ahead and just get another one because they're super inexpensive. So again, it is more on the warm tone side, but again, it's called Rose in the Air. I did pick it up. And then I went to the clearance section in Walmart to see their like clearance makeup items, and I found two products by Hard Candy. I didn't even know they had these. Like, I was thinking to myself, like, when did these even come out? Because I have these, but I have like the older ones that they used to have in the container like this. So I'm not sure when the one with this packaging came out, but again, it's by Hard Candy, and it is the Bold Hold Lip Lacquer. I have it in Famous, which is this color right here. All right, here is Famous. Sleek packaging. And this color is so pretty. Oh my god, so pretty. I'm happy I got it. I was honestly debating about it when I seen it in the clearance section, but I was like, for $3, like, I can't beat that because regular price is $13. So I'm pretty much saving $10 on it. And then the next one, it is the color called Genius. It's supposed to be a nude color, so I wanted to see how it would work for my skin tone. And here is the next one. So pretty. You guys, if you don't go to like your clearance section for Walmart for their makeup stuff, just go over there because they do have some hidden gems, i.e. like this over there, that's really good and, you know, affordable. So here is that one. This is really pretty. All right, and here is that one right here. And again, that one is called Genius, and it is like a nudie color. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much the new products that I have in my collection. Again, the majority was more so e.l.f. cosmetics, but I did, you know, throw in some randoms in there. So hope you guys enjoy my video. Stay tuned for some more tutorials and of course some reviews coming up really soon. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.